Have a good day, students. My name is Mayuri Karya. I hope you all are well at your home. So today we are starting our second part of chapter 1, standard 8, Social Science History, NCERT book. The book name is Our Past 3 Part 1. The name of the first chapter is How, When and Where. We have already completed some of the portion of this chapter, so we will see the quick recap of this chapter. How important are dates? First point, the people have been means how the people are emphasizing to maintain the dates. Okay, so means how dates are important and how by maintaining the dates what we can means get the information that the people have been explain here. Next one is which dates, means which dates we have to be remember. For that the people have given example of a king, means means a king when he had been born, when he came on throne, when he had been married, when he had children, which battle he won. Okay, so these are the important dates that we have to be means record. Okay, means go for example, if we can tell that Britishers came in India, so many governor generals and viceroys came in India. So that that particular governor general or viceroy has done whatever the means policies, whatever the good things, that is going to be kept as a record or as a debt. These are the important deeds that has to be remembered or that has to be kept as a record. Next one, how do we patronize, means how we can be inclined on to maintain the dates that the people are telling. For that the people have been given the example of the book that has been written by the James Mill. The book is in a 3-volume, name is Hindu, Muslim and British, and that book has been divided into 3 part, Hindu, Muslim and British. And in that what he has written, that has been means tell that how the records are being maintained. Now next point is what is colonial. So the people means colonial means when Britishers came in India, they have established their own colonies to live. Okay, and the people started to live in that colonies. On that, after that, it is being called the colonial rule. So in colonial means what the people have done, how the people have been entered in our in Indian political, economic, and social cultures, and what changes they have people bring in this culture and society that is going to be maintained in this. Our next thing, up to here we have completed. Now our next lecture we are continuing. The first point is how do we know, means how do we know about. So the people are clearly telling that the sources do historians use in writing about the last 250 years of Indian history, means these last 250 years records are firm and that is means maintained. Now first thing, means next point, administration produces records. Okay, so now administration has produces some records. First paragraph, one important sources is official record of the British administration. The British believed that the act of writing was important. Even instruction plan, policies, decision, agreement, investigation had to be clearly written up. Once this was done, things could be properly studied and debated. This conviction produces an administrative culture of memos, noting and reports. Okay, so means the people are maintaining the records, that is means it created the administrative culture of memos and noting the reports. Now next paragraph, the British also felt that all important documents and letters need to be carefully preserved. So they set up record rooms attached to all administrative institutions: the village Tehsildar's office, the collectorate, the commissioner's office, the provisional secretariat, the law courts all had their record rooms. Specialized institutions like archives and museums were also established to preserve important records. Okay, so means the people have kept all these records, and to maintain the record they have attached the specialized record rooms in all government institutions. Even for the old one records, the people have established archives. Archive means old literatures being kept and preserved there. Okay, so that is called the archives and in museums. Now next paragraph: letter and memos that moved from one branch of the administration to another in the early years of the 19th century can still be read in the archives. You can also study the notes and reports that district officials prepared, or the instructions and directives that were sent by officials at the top to provisional administrators. Okay, so means the people are telling that they are having the form base. Means in 19th century, whatever the means decisions, whatever the plans has been taken as a report, you can read of this much old one records because they have been kept. So this we can read here in the means archives or in the libraries. Do you know in which this means records is being held? Okay, in past some situation has been happened, because of that the people have to take some decisions or some actions. So right on that basis we came to know, we got the instruction that in that means particular situation how the people had been dealt. So this is going to be help us to how we have to means handle this situation. Okay, so these records are helping us in that manner. Now next paragraph: in the early year of the 19th century, these documents were carefully copied out and beautifully written by calligraphists, that is by those who of the 19th century. With the spread of printing, multiple copies of these records were printed as a proceeding of each government department. Okay, so earlier means these copies are means sorry, earlier these copies are by means maintaining by hands. So at that time, to write in a good manner, the people are writing, the people have been appoint specialized calligraphist. Here is the example what is the calligraphy. This one is the example of calligraphy writing. So in this good writing the people are keeping their records. Okay, so and another thing the people are telling that after means inventing the printing press, they are having the means facility to make many copies. So the people are sending the reports of one report of in a many copy in a different relative offices. So we are having the many copies of that particular records. Okay, now next, here is the figure: the National Archives of India come up in the 1920s when New Delhi was built. The National Museum and the National Archives were both located close to the Viceroyal Palace. This location reflects the importance these institutions had in British imagination. Okay, here are the we are having National Archives of India. We are keeping our means most of the records here. In Hindi it is going to be called the Abhilekhagar. Okay, so you can get here all the old one records. Already I have explained what is the archives. archives means whatever the old one literal records are there, that is being kept saved here. Now the people have been given example here, some reports to the Home Department. In 1946, the colonial government in India was trying to put down a mutiny that broke out on the ship of the Royal Indian Navy. Here is a sample of the kind of reports the Home Department got from the different backyard. Now here is the Bombay report. Bombay, arrangements have been made for the army to take over ships and establishment. Royal Navy ships are remaining outside the harbor. Karachi's report, 301 mutineers are under arrest and a few more strongly suspected are to be arrested. All the establishments are under military guard. Visakhapatnam, the position is completely under control. No violence has occurred. Military guard have been placed on ships and establishment. No further trouble is expected except that a few many refuse to work. Okay, these are the reports has been prepared by the different departments. Now the next point is surveys become important. Okay, the practice of surveying always become common under a control under the colonial administration. The British believed that the country had to be properly known before could be effectively administered. Now what is the survey? Survey is the the people are taking the opinion of a normal people or their people and taking the by the opinion of that people taking the some decision, that is called the survey. Okay, now for example I am giving, if a company is making a product, so first that company will do the survey that what people actually need for this. The people are appointing some special persons to go in a local market, to go in a local areas and asking the opinions of the normal people, and by this opinion they are producing a product. This is called the survey. So in that time Britishers were also do like that, and after that the people because on the report of the survey the people are taking the decisions. Next paragraph, by the early 19th century detailed surveys were being carried out to map the entire country in the village. Revenue surveys were conducted. Effort was to know the topography, the soil quality, the flora, the fauna, the local histories, and the copying pattern. All the facts seen as necessary to know about to administrator the region. From the end of the 19th century, census operations were held every 10 years. These prepared detailed records of the numbers of the people in all the provinces of India, noting information on caste, religions and occupations. These were many other surveys, botanical surveys, zoological surveys, archaeological surveys, anthropological surveys, forest surveys, in a different field different surveys has been done. In figure 5 they have shown the custard apple plant. Okay, so what the people are doing, custard apple plant, 1770s, botanical garden and natural historian museum established by the British, collected plant supplements and information about their uses. Local artists were asked to draw pictures of this specimen. Historians are now looking at a way such information was gathered and what this information reveal about the nature of the colonism. Okay, so means the people are telling means artisans has been called and told them that you people have to make the means picture of this sub species. Okay, and on that basis at the time means photography and all this were not there, so as a picture means the people are making the drawings, and whatever the information the people got, that is going to be returned. So these is the means official records about the botanical. Now in this paragraph the people said that in a different field the people are keeping the records. Now what official records do not tell. Now I mean this matter means the people are telling the people keeping the records, but in official records each and everything is not going to be mentioned, some particular things are being mentioned. Okay, from this vast corpus of records we get to know a lot, but we must remember that these are official records that tell us what the officials thought. What here is the figure 6, mapping and survey operations of progress in Bengal, a drawing by James Prinsep 1832. Note how all the instruments that were used to survey are placed in the foreground to emphasize the specific nature of the project. Means here at that time photography was not there, so the people are being called the special means artists to draw that pictures, and on that pictures the people are keeping the records. Now next thing, another example the people have given, the rebel of 1857. Okay, so here the people have been kept make a picture, and whatever the information the people are writing besides of the picture. So here is also another example. Images need to be carefully studied for the project the viewpoint of those who create them. These images can be found in several illustrated books produced by the British after the 1850s rebellion. The caption at the bottom says mutinous sepoys share the lot. The British represents a rebels appears as greedy, vicious and brutals. You will read about the rebellion in chapter 5. Okay, means the people are telling about the rebellions, that how they have been treated in by the Britishers. Okay, and in a caption the people are writing what the means picture is going to be tell. So here the people are telling what is the condition of the rebellions at that time. Now we will continue with our chapter means paragraph. They were interested in at what they wish to preserve for posterity. These records do not always help us understand what other people in the country felt and what lay behind their actions. Okay, so means official records only tells that what decisions and what plans has been done, but what is their motive, what the people are thinking, what is in their mind, it cannot be shown in this record. For that we need to take elsewhere. When we begin to search for these other sources, we find them in a plenty, through they are more difficult to get than official records. We have diaries of peoples, accounts of pilgrims and travelers, autobiographies of important personalities, and popular booklets that were sold in the local bazaars. As printing spread, newspapers were published and issues were debated in public. leaders or reformers wrote to spread their ideas. Poet and novelist wrote to express their feeling. Okay, what the people are telling, officials has means made the records. In that, what decision, what plan has been done, that we can know. But actually what was there in there means that officials mind, that we could not know. So how we can know? That means at that time whatever the magazines, whatever the means pamphlets has been printed, means whatever the things came in a newspaper, whatever the reactions came by the people at that time, this shows that what actual matter was going on that official's mind, and what was the reaction by the public. Okay, so by the reaction of the public, or so means whatever the articles came in magazines or at the times pamphlet, by this we came to know in actual which manner that plans or means that decisions has been taken. So these records are not giving us the precise information in official records. Okay, so precise information, the sole idea of that records we came to know about this means articles, these surveys by the people for that means decisions or that. Okay, so on that we came to know that what is the sole idea to take this decision, and what is the sole idea for this records for this record has been maintained. Now next one, all these sources however were produced by those who were literate. From these we will not be able to understand how history was experienced and lived by the tribals and the peasants, the workers in the mines, or the poor on the streets. Getting to know their life is a more difficult task. Okay, still records are being kept, but we cannot know about the life of a workers, life of a means people working in a mines, life of a means poor people, which means those who are living in a street. Okay, still we cannot know about these people. So these are the some limitations to keeping the record. Means we are keeping the record, still we cannot know about these people. Next means paragraph, last paragraph. Yet this can be done if we make a little bit of effort. When you read this book, you will see how this can be done. Okay, so means and still in whole chapter means the people try to understand that how what is means what is the importance to keep the dates and records, how we can be inclined on that, which kind of dates are important and which kind of dates we have to be maintained. Means they what means to keeping a record, which kind of records we can keep, like that survey reports, official reports, everything. Okay, and they have said some means limitations also, that though we keep, people are keeping the records. For example, the people have said that in official records we cannot know the motive about what means this records has been kept, or means this decision has been taken. So motive, the sole idea, we how we came to know by the means reactions, by the means articles of newspaper or magazine, in that return the reaction or thinking about the normal people. Another thing the people said, that in we are though we people are keeping the records, still we cannot know about the life of the means that poor peoples, those who are living in the streets, and those means or means we are telling that peasants, tribal peoples, or workers working in the mines. So these are some limitations also, though we people are keeping the records, we cannot know about that. The last thing is not fit for human consumption. Newspapers provide account of movements in different parts of the country. Here is a report of police strikes in 1946. More than 2000 policemen in Delhi refused to take their food on Thursday morning as a protest against their low salaries and the bad quality of food supplied to them from the police line kitchen. As the news spread to the other police station, the man there also refused to take food. One of the strikes said that the food supplied to us from the police line's kitchen is not fit for human consumption. Even cattle would not eat chapatis and dal which we have to eat. Okay, so here one means report has been given in the newspaper that how means police policemen has been striked in 1946. Okay, so and means strike is about to means they cannot consume that food because it is not edible for humans. Okay, so in newspaper means this is the example that what happened, and this one is also one kind of record that in that time this kind of strike has been happened. So newspapers are also means helping us to keeping the records. By that also means we came to know about the records and why we have to maintain the records, the sole idea to know about the history. Okay, so keeping the records are helping us to know about our history, and in future if this situation is being repeated the same, so how means the people has to be deal with that situation, that is also means help giving the guidance to them. Okay, I hope you like this lecture. Today I am completing here our chapter 1 of standard 8. Okay, thank you so much.